I bridge the gap between wanting something that's good for me and purchasing something that's perfect for me. I think that my findings really help other creators because that one piece of tool could help you really foster your creativity. I'm Kitty, and I review gear. I'm the owner and chief cinematographer with Untitled Visuals. We do a bunch of camera gear reviews. I love San Francisco because it has the best scenery and lighting to shoot the perfect content. For me personally, my theme is mobile shooting. I'm a hybrid shooter, which is what most of my audience is as well. We're videographers and photographers. So when I choose gear, it's usually something that I would use personally. One of the ways I gain trust with my viewers is by going out in my element and testing the gear that I review. I'll give pros and I'll also give cons, so I'm not just portraying something in the best light, I'm also letting people know what's wrong with it. It's one thing to show what the test footage can create, but it's another thing to actually show me using the gear itself. Staying with the mobile theme, a new product that I discovered is the Dji Copilot. When I first saw it at a trade show, I instantly fell in love with it because it just fit me. When I'm out in a field, I don't really want to go back home or go to a coffee shop to start looking and transferring footage. The Dji Copilot allows me to take my SD card from my camera or my drone, plug it in there, copy footage, and also review it. Hard drives are that piece of gear that are underappreciated and underrated. LaCie continues to push the boundaries, and with the Dji Copilot, it really streamlines my workflow and makes everything more convenient. I've been using these products for years now, even when I first started videography. So I'm really excited to see what they come out with next.